guys, so I already did this look. My shirt's going low. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do this eye. I'm using two palettes. Of course, you guys already know I'm using the 351 Fantasy Ice Fantasy palette, and then I'm also using the Beauty Creations Anna palette as well, and I'm also using a single shadow by Ace Beauty. I guess it's kind of what it's called. It's a glimmer shadow. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So we're gonna go open the Morphe 351 Icy Fantasy palette. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this one right here, which is a light pink. Then I'm gonna go in with this one and then this one. So again, my steps are 1, 2, and 3, and then I will show you what's next after that. I'm gonna go in with that light pink and just work it into my lid. I might just put some music on and just go fast forward with this. So, or we can just talk. Doesn't really matter. Whatever you guys want to do. You want to fast forward or whatever. But I might just talk a little bit. So today's Valentine's Day. I don't know. I don't know what I'm planning to do today. But I don't know. I'm gonna go in with the second color now. I'm probably gonna wear my shirt that I'm so excited to wear. I've been holding off. I got it when I went to the Alamo Draft House, which is a theater, which is like a dinner and a movie. I went to the Beetlejuice movie party, and if you guys don't know, Beetlejuice is my favorite movie. One of my favorite movies. Could I say that twice? Like favorite. They get it. Favorite movie. And they sell stuff like on the side or whatever, and I didn't realize that they did that. I guess because last time I went they didn't have anything like that. And I was looking at their t-shirts, and they freaking have a Pretty in Pink shirt. And if you guys don't know this about me, is that I love Molly Ringwald. She is one of my favorite 80s actresses. If you don't know who that is, oh my god, but I will tell you, she came out in Pretty in Pink, which is a shirt that I bought. 16 Candles came out, and 4 Keeps. She's a mother now. She's a mother that plays she plays a mother in the show Kissing Booth to the boys. You know, the red hair. She came out in 13. What is it? Not 13 Reasons Why. Maybe it was 13 Reasons Why. But she's come out in a lot of movies, and I really love her when she was younger as like the 80s actress. Oh, Breakfast Club is another one that she came out in. So anyway, she's just, I love her movies. So that being said, I saw the t-shirt and I was like, oh my god, I freaking have to have that shirt. So that is what I'm going to wear. Although the shirt is beige, but the picture itself is pink, and oh my god, I just love it. So hopefully they don't run small, because they didn't have like my actual size. So I got like a size smaller. Hopefully it'll fit, especially when you have like these big boobs that it's hard to freaking squeeze and shit. But anyway, so I'm just gonna go in with the third color, and it's like a shimmery pink, and I'm just gonna put that on my lower lid, and that is what we're gonna do. I don't know, we're gonna exchange gifts today or not. Like the girls, normally like what I would do is like, because it's on a Friday or whatever, like I don't know, what I like to get them is not here where I live. I have to go to the city. It's like 45 minutes, and we didn't go yesterday because Addison was really sick. She came home from school and she slept like the whole day, and yeah, so we had to cancel her drum lesson practice as well as my nieces. And normally we would go to Corpus, and now we go get them something. So we're probably gonna have to wait on that since we didn't go yesterday. And yeah, my brother's coming in, so I'm probably not gonna go to the city, I don't think. Okay, so then here's the second eyeshadow. This is the one I was telling you about from the Ace Beauty, I think it's called. I'm gonna turn my brush around. I'm gonna go ahead and dig this in just to make that pink pop a little bit more. And normally what I would do, like I would always wear like red shadows and like smoke it out for Valentine's Day and do something like that. I actually had like a whole different look for Valentine's Day, but as you can tell, that didn't happen. But I guess this year, because I got that shirt, we're gonna do pink this year. So that is what we're doing. I might put a little bit red on the bottom just for the hell of it, but I'm still undecided because the shirt is pretty, it's from the movie Pretty in Pink, so I want to keep everything like pinkish. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. I am pretty much okay, not done. I'm gonna go back with this other palette to pull this one out, and I am going to go in with this pink right here. I'm gonna get like a different brush, more like a bigger, thicker one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I have too much palettes in front of me. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop it a little bit more up in the higher area and just work that out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm not gonna show this because if you watch my videos, it's the same shit. If you're new, watch the video I just uploaded, because I am uploading 2 videos today. So I am just gonna go in with my concealer. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this really fast, what I normally do before I go back to the eyes. So I'm just gonna put the concealer really fast, and like I'm just gonna bronze and stuff. If you want to see me bronze, or maybe I'll come back for the bronze part. It's nothing new, but I'm just gonna do this really fast off camera. Set my face with a powder, and then maybe I'll come back. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer, which is the same one that I talk about all the time. I'm already hitting pan, as you can see a little bit. There's like a little bit of the pan coming through. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this really fast. This is just, I'm not gonna do any harsh contour or anything like that. This is what's been working for me when I'm in the go. I have a lot of shit that I need to do, so I'm just doing this really quick and fast, and just kind of go up to my hairline, bring this in, nose. I know people do like really hardcore like contour the nose. I just do this, and I feel like it helps my nose a little bit, like how I want it. It's nothing like major or crazy. Maybe one time I will actually have time to sit and actually do something like that, but girl's busy. Okay, so for blush, I was gonna do like a pinkish, but I don't even know if I want to do a pink. Maybe I will. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm undecided between 2 of them, guys. 2 of them. I don't want to do like bright pink. I'm gonna go ahead more with the like a lighter pink, just because my eyes are already like bright as hell. So I'm gonna go with Mellow Wine by Wet n Wild. It's like a light peachy pink color. So that is what I'm gonna put on my cheeks today. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do this off camera just to kill time or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and do some liner, I'm gonna put some mascara, and I'm gonna put some lashes, and then I'll come back so we can finish the rest of this Valentine's Pretty in Pink look. I was already starting without you guys. Oh my god. So I already put like the inner. I'm putting the same white that I always talk about. I'm gonna put this in my inner to highlight this a little bit. I want a little bit bright here. Okay, so now that that's that, I'm gonna go in with this liner that I've had. This is the one with Melissa Michelle. She's a YouTuber. She had a collaboration with Ulta Beauty. It's like a pink liner. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my bottom lash line. So I'm gonna go under and add a little bit of glitter. Piper, you're eating loud, woman. Okay, so you see there's like some shimmer there. I'm gonna go ahead and do this on the other side, and I'm just going underneath my eyelashes and the water, not the waterline, just underneath the lash line. Couldn't think of a freaking word. Tickles. So you see I have like a little bit of glitter. I was gonna put on the top, but then I feel like it'll be too much since I already have shimmer shadow. So I am just going to leave that there. So that is that. Next, for my blush, not blush, my highlighter, I'm going to go in at the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero, and I'm going to go in with this pink right here because we're going with a pretty and pink inspired look. And I'm just going to go here, go right there, here, here, here. I go a little bit up. I don't know how to do my hair. I don't feel like doing my hair. Yesterday I wore like these leggings I have. If you guys see me if you saw me yesterday in person and you see me again today with the same black leggings, I promise you they're not the same. I literally have 5 pairs of these. My mom bought me a pair and I loved them, but actually she didn't buy me a pair. She bought me 5 of them. Literally, one time she came and she's like, hey, I'm outside like my house, and she literally brought me a bag. I guess they're having a sale. I don't know if they're having a sale at JCPenney's or that Bells. I don't know where she went, but she got these leggings and they're so nice and comfortable. They're black. I don't think they're that sheer, but I kind of feel like they are a little bit like on the booty area, so I'll wear them with like a long top. If not, then I'll wear with the like short enough top where you can't see, like, you know, where your private area is at, like just kind of like lower there, but then I'll wear like a cardigan over it with some fuzzy boots or something like that. And right now it's still kind of cool, so yeah, if you see me, I'm wearing some leggings, but yeah, so that is that. This is the look. I really like it, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a lip. And normally I've been wearing a nude, but I'm not going to be wearing a light color today. And I'm thinking that I want to wear, I'm looking at the shirt, which I will show you guys in a minute. And she has like a burgundy and she has like pink. And I think what I want to do, I always wear the same pink, but I feel like I want it a little bit brighter. And I'm thinking if I should go for more subtle pink. I kind of like the way this one looks. I actually have a more brighter pink. I actually like this bright pink for some reason, like brighter pink. You know what? I'm gonna go with brighter pink. Not even gonna think about it. I'm just gonna go with it. But if you do not want to wear a bright pink, you're more than welcome to wear like a nude. You're more than welcome to wear like a pastel pink. This is my new ones. I was thinking about using this one, but I really want like a bright pink today. You can wear like something like this. You can use something like, I don't know, like this. You can have so many different options, guys. So whatever floats your boat or whatever, go ahead and do that. I feel like I have glitter underneath my eyelid, which I do, but it's okay. We'll do that in a minute. I'm gonna go with this bright pink. When I do my makeup, my dog literally goes underneath my vanity and she'll stay there and think it's her house. Bitch, who are you? Like, I have not worn this bright lip in a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake my Power Up. It's a setting mist I got in BoxyCharm last month. I'm gonna make sure that this makeup does not move, especially when it's Valentine's Day and you might be doing something. You don't want it to move. Okay, guys, so this is the look. I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting dressed. Let me show you the shirt really fast, because once I put it on, you're not gonna be able to see it, and I'm not gonna get up so you can see my shirt. So let me go get it real quick. Hope you guys know what I'm talking about. This is the shirt. It says Pretty in Pink. It's an 80s movie. I think by Hugh Grant. No, not Hugh Grant. Why did I say Hugh Grant? But I forgot his name. He's the one who made all the 80 movies that I like. But yeah. So this is the shirt, and this is Molly Ringwald, when she was in that movie. It looks like her. She's wearing like a vinyl, because she would work at a music store. And she would make her own clothes, and then it's called Pretty in Pink because her car was pink. Like, everything she wore was pink. Even her skin looked pink. You know, like she was just, because she has red hair. And yeah, like, I love this shirt so much. So I'm gonna wear this, probably with my messy bun, my little boots, probably like a little cardigan, and that's gonna be my freaking look for today. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. I'll be right back, and then we will close off this video. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Just a messy, crazy bun. I already have my shirt on. I don't want to get up too much, but you'll see my shirt. And I'm wearing my little leggings. I was gonna wear my boots, but actually I'm wearing my Crocs, my black Crocs with it. And yeah, so this is my Valentine's Day look. Like, Nothing going crazy. It's a Friday. I understand people are gonna go clubbing, probably do something. I'm not all about that. I used to be, but I probably don't mind going clubbing still. I'm just, today's Friday. I'm probably just gonna want stuff to munch on and watch movies, and pretty much that's it. Like, stay home. But yeah, this is my Valentine's Day look. I love it. Came out really good. I haven't worn any bright colors in a while, like I said, and yeah, so I'm rocking this fucking shirt because I love pretty in pink. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. And again, happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. Also, don't forget that Valentine's Day isn't just for people that are in love or in relationships or married or anything like that. It's just love towards anybody. It could be your friends, it could be yourself, you know, self-love, girl, boy, whatever. It's just, you know, just, even if it's just all about you. So if you don't have anyone, just dress up for yourself and go get yourself something. Either you go and enjoy and go have fun somewhere, or stay home, look nice, and watch some movies or whatever. So anyway, until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.